Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. We are heading into CVS today, better known as CVS in my house. These deals are run for February the 16th until February the 22nd, 2025. And as always, these deals are all digital, just using your phone to score on these deals. In addition, there is a printable breakdown in the description box, so you can just click on that, print off the printable breakdown so it makes you a list, or you can just pull it up on your phone and take that in the store with you. So no need to write any of these deals down. Now, I do want to tell you guys that in CVS, we use extra care bucks. And what extra care bucks are they're kind of like money that you get for buying things that you use on the next transaction. So I'll be talking about those extra care bucks in these videos. Now, starting us off are the L'Oreal Elvive. Now, I've never used this one before. This is like a new one that they've just came out with, I guess. And this is the one that has the pure in it, and I like the pure because I don't like having like residue in my shampoo and conditioners and things. You know how it can like stay and make your skin dry or whatever. So anyways, I'm getting two of these. Getting two of them, they're going to be $10 when you get two of them. There is a $4 coupon on the CVS app. Just scan that. The coupon will come up. In addition to that, you're also going to get back $2 in extra care bucks. So using that coupon and the extra care bucks, it's going to make this shampoo come down to $4 or $2 each. Next is the whole blends. Now they do have this new honey whole blends, but my store was all out of them. But they are two for $8 for these. So you're going to pick up both of those at $8. You're going to get back $3 in extra care bucks, and you're also going to use that $3 coupon. So with the sale price of $8 for both, the $3 coupon and the $3 extra care bucks, it's going to make the shampoo and conditioner or whatever you decide to buy $2 or $1 each. So if you use whole blends, tell me which one your favorite is in the comments. I always like to know because sometimes I'm scared to buy some. I have bought the Moroccan oil one before. All right, next up is cereal. And if you guys have followed me, you know that I like to buy cereal at CVS. I always feel like it makes it so much cheaper because when you go to the grocery stores or Walmart even, it can be $5, $6 for a box of cereal. And with five kids in my house, we go through a ton of cereal. So the Kellogg cereal, I actually picked up the Frosted Flakes, is usually $5.99 there. It is on sale for $1.99. Now, I don't have any coupons for this, but I do know that there is a coupon on the app, but it doesn't apply to this size cereal. So FYI, don't think that that coupon is going to work for this size cereal. This is a smaller box of cereal. Now for this deal, this is the soft soap, and if you don't want soft soap and you wanted to do it with the Irish Spring, you could, but I believe it was cheaper to use the soft soap, to get the soft soap than it was to get the Irish Spring, because I think the Irish Spring was like over $7, 7.50 or something like that. So these are $6.59 each. You're gonna pick up two of them. Your total is going to be $13.18. We have a high value coupon for $5 on the CVS app when you buy two. So that's going to bring your total down to $8.18. And then you're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. So getting back $5 extra care bucks and that $5 coupon, that's $10 in savings, is going to bring your total down to $3.18 or about $1.59 per bottle. Now, this is a great item to either donate or resell because we do have this high value coupon. So you're going to get the Axe body wash. They are $6.19. You're going to pick up two of them. Your total will be $12.38. There's a $7 high value coupon. That coupon is going to bring it down to $5.38. And then you're going to use $3 extra care bucks that you're going to get back. So it's going to make it $2.38 or about $1.19 per bottle of Axe body wash. I know we probably have tons of this makeup, But when you get makeup for this cheap, it's always good to pick these up because, like, let's say you're selling at a flea market or something like that. This could be one of your freebies. So, like, let's say you say to someone, like, spend $30, get a free item. This might be the free item they get. And I'll have like a box of free items. So, this Maybelline eyeshadow, which is something I actually use, they're $4.99 at my store. You're gonna pick up two of them. Your total will be $9.98. There is a $4 coupon on Maybelline products. So that $4 coupon is going to come off and your total will be $5.98. Then you're going to get back $5 and extra care bucks. So with that $4 store coupon and that $5 extra care bucks, your total for both of them will be 98 cents or about 49 cents per eyeshadow. I think whenever I first started couponing these Colgate mouthwashes, I would get them for like free or 50 cents, and it would be like the full liter. And now it's not like that at all. Like we can't get a full liter for almost free anymore. So the Colgate total is $5.59 for the mouthwashes. You're gonna pick up two. Your total will be $11.18. There is a $4 coupon. That $4 coupon is gonna bring it down to $7.18. Then you're gonna get back $5 in extra care bucks. So with the coupon and the extra care bucks, your total is $2.18 or $1.09 per bottle of Colgate mouthwash. Now, with this Shea Moisture product, this is actually the cheapest one that they carry at $10.29. It's the Stronghold Styling Gel. Now, the shampoos and things are like $13, $14, but I'm just giving you the cheapest scenario. So, what you're going to do is pick up two of the Stronghold Styling Gels. They are $10.29 each. The total for those are going to be $20.58. So, $20.58 for those. There is a $5 coupon on the CVS app. So that $5 coupon is going to come off and it's going to leave you to pay $15.58. And then there is a $10 extra care buck you're going to get back for spending $20. So for the Shea Moisture product, your total is going to be $5.58 for the both of them. So the Halls cough drops are $3.59. I love to get these and have them on hand. I used these one years in a blessing bag and it was well received by the people I gave it to. So these are $3.59, but they're buy one get one 50% off. So essentially it's like one is going to be $2.69, but of course we have to buy two. So buying two at $2.69 each. Your total is $5.38. Now we are going to get back $2 in extra care bucks, so that will give you leave you to pay $3.38, and then you're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back on each bag. So getting back $1 on each bag is going to leave it. It's going to bring it down to $1.38. So $1.38, and then for each bag it's 69 cents. That's a really good deal on the Halls cough drops because considering they were at $3.59 and you were able to get them down all the way to 69 cents, you're almost saving $3 on the Halls cough drops. This is all I have for you guys. I hope you save big. Let me know in the comments if you made it to the end of this video, and I really appreciate it. Have a good one. Thanks.